How to fix Doom Eternal crashing on Steam. First, go back to your library, right-click on the game and open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait for this process to finish checking and repairing your files. Now, once this is done, you can go to the General tab, and under Launch Options, you can type -DX11, or you can later try -D3D11 if the first one does not work for you. Now close out of this window. Next, you want to update your GPU driver. So for NVIDIA, you will need to install NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also try to hit the reinstall button to perform a local reinstall. And next, you want to try to disable the overlays. Go to settings and disable NVIDIA overlay. You can also try to disable Discord overlay as well. You have Discord by going to game overlay and turn it off from here. Next, you can try to disable Steam overlay as well, as they might interfere with the game and cause crashes. Go to in-game and turn it off from here. Next, you will need to restart your computer. And after a fresh restart, you should open up Steam as admin. Right-click on Steam and click on Run as admin. And then you can basically launch the Doom Eternal game, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.